Well, the location is stunning. You can't beat it. Every boat here I find very inspiring. Yeah, I would come back anytime. It's fantastic. And we have been so lucky with the weather as well.
There's an amazing location, lots of variety of different sessions to do. It means we get to look at a whole bunch of different things and just really, really enjoy Woodbridge.
Oh, I've loved it. I've not drawn in way too long, and I just feel it's really like sparked my wanting to draw again.
I've come away with a real sense of connectivity. I really feel a very deep connection with the people that I've met today, and I feel a very deep sense of inspiration, and also a wider sense of connectivity with the environment that we're in as well. You know, just the sheer beauty of the aesthetics, you know, the natural history, the nature, the light. There's been so much to be inspired by today.
Yes, I did a very interesting workshop on how to paint mud. And it's normally not something you would think of until you come here and see the tidal changes. And you think, not sure how to do this. So we had some really interesting tips this morning from two of the ladies there, and very interesting. Yeah.
You know, the fact that you've got an assemblage of people who probably haven't met, coming to celebrate nature and the natural environment. I think it's, you know, in so many ways a very unique thing, and a very unique thing with the state of with the virus as well. So actually this is very brave, and I really hats off to Marianne and Art Safari for putting it on and taking a risk, and we all have benefited so much. So